Hey, welcome to today's video. Today it's all about a day in the life of spring. It is the day before Easter that we're filming this, and it is a beautiful spring day here in Kansas. And so we thought we'd film what we're doing. We're getting everything ready for Easter tomorrow. We have company coming to stay the night with us, Jason's parents, and so I was just getting the bed ready for them, and we just have lots of little busy things that we're doing today. We thought we'd bring you along. It is gorgeous outside. It's supposed to be about 70 and sunny today, so I'm really excited about that. So we thought we'd bring you along. We got lots to do, so let's just get right to it. First up, let's get Jason some breakfast. So we're getting the camper unloaded so we can get it out of the driveway, so we have room in the driveway for everybody to park tomorrow. Bye-bye, camper. The worst part about unloading the camper is putting everything away. I hate it. I just hate it. But we always overpack too. We always like take way too much stuff with us in the camper. I don't know, I feel like we think we're gonna starve or something, so we just like take everything. So now I have to re-put all this away so I can get my house cleaned back up. And then I'm gonna move on, and I have lots to do. I need to finish getting my Easter table set. We have cooking. Jason's gonna be cooking for us here in a little bit. We have lawn work to do. I have balloons I need to pick up. I'll tell you about that in a little bit. But yeah, so I'm gonna hurry and get this done really quick. Man, my back deck has the winter blues. I am so ready to get this thing spruced up for spring, but I'm just gonna do a quick little cleanup right now, just in case we wanna sit outside tomorrow because it's supposed to be a beautiful day. But come back soon and I'm gonna do an entire back porch refresh. We have leaves that fall off early springtime, and so I always wait to get these last little bit of leaves first thing in the spring to start to clean out my flower beds. I am so ready to start planting some flowers. So you might have noticed that I don't have my front porch decorated for spring. So if you come back later in the week, I'm gonna have it all done. But right now, just since we have people coming over for Easter tomorrow and I'm not ready to like do my whole big spring front porch today because I got too much to do, I'm just gonna bring out a few little pieces that are for like Easter, and then that way when I decorate for spring, the Easter stuff can already be over with. So, because I'm gonna actually do that Monday. And so come back later in the week and you'll get to see the whole front porch, and maybe you'll get some cute ideas for yourself. So while he's in there sleeping, I'm gonna go ahead. Have you guys ever had the Taste of Home make-ahead mashed potatoes? So basically you can get them all made up to date. They are so good. I'll leave the recipe down below because they're delicious. And so I'm gonna go ahead and make those up today, so then that way when we get home from church tomorrow before everybody comes, they just have to warm up and they are so good, and I don't have to like stress about making mashed potatoes at that time. So let me get my potatoes peeled and get those to cooking, and I can show you really quick just like what goes in them, but they're really good. Okay, 5 pounds of russet potatoes just cut up, and we'll boil those. 5 pounds, we'll do 12 servings. So, and you can use a russet or a Yukon Gold. Jason's back here making lemonade. I'll show you guys in a second. So I have my 5 pounds of potatoes all done. I have sprayed a 3-quart casserole dish, greased it up, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 block of cream cheese that I just kind of cubed up, and then 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and also salt and pepper to taste. The peppers did that thing that it did with you. Good thing it flung out. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just gonna beat it up. Oh, I forgot the egg whites. Hold on, it takes 2 egg whites. Ah!
Get those brown eggs out, because there's 2 cracked eggs, and I'll just get you the egg whites out of there.
Okay, here. Hurry.
What's this?
Ooh, Lily's dog food bowl. I'm gonna start beating this while he gets me the eggs. Definitely needs more salt.
You need a bag of ice.
No. Oh, to put in the thing? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, you cover and refrigerate, and then you cook them tomorrow at 350 for 1 hour before, and they are delicious. Sometimes I add more melted butter, but these are great. Okay, what are you doing?
Making lemonade.
This is gonna be delicious. So there's 5 cups of sugar I saw you put in there.
Yep, this will make 24 servings, so 24 cups. So I've got 24 lemons and 5 cups of sugar. I'm gonna zest all the lemons into the sugar and let these sit overnight, and the zest of the lemons is gonna absorb in the sugar. Then I will mix the sugar, the lemon sugar, with water, bring it to a quick boil. That will melt all the sugar and bring all of and let it steep, basically like a lemon sugar tea. And then I'll strain out all of the lemon zest, pour it, mix it with water, and all of the lemons from this, and just mix the sugar syrup with the lemons that I squeeze, and that will make lemonade.
That sounds delicious. And I'll leave the recipe in the box down below if you guys are interested, because this is tasty. Is this how you get your big biceps?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're getting your arm worked out there. You gotta do 24 lemons like this?
24 lemons cut in half.
Oh my goodness, I do not envy you. Now people are gonna be envious of me when I'm drinking this lemonade though. Alright, good luck with this. We'll come back when you're done with this part. Okay, so this is a really big deal because Jason hates deviled eggs and I love them. Tell him how much you love them.
I hate deviled eggs. They're vile.
And one of Jason's love languages is food. And he is so sweet and he's making me deviled eggs for Easter tomorrow. Isn't this so sweet? What kind are we having?
Truffled deviled eggs.
Oh, fancy. I'm pretty excited. Thanks for spending the day with us. We'll see you next time.